Now the next option, we need to cite some information into words, so you might create an in-text citation or footnote depending on what you're doing. So open up a blank Word document, which I've already done there, and you see at the top here you've got a new plugin called Zotero. So if you're on the Home tab, come right to the end and tap on Zotero. So we need something to cite, so I'm going to click back into Zotero. I want to double tap it to bring up the journal. I want to scroll down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to maximize it. Now remember top left, if I click this, we can access your highlights. So I could tap into there. I'll double tap into here because that way I can highlight the text. So I'm just going to grab any of that, Command C, and tap off it. I'm now going to open a blank Word document. And I'm going to paste that in Command V. Now I need to cite that. From the Zotero tab, click Add Edit Citation. If you don't see anything come up, just put it down because you'll see a window to choose your reference style. I'm going to leave it on Cite Them Right 12th edition, leave everything default and click OK. It's going to give me various sources here to look at. So at the moment you can see I could type in here looking for a source, or I can click on the corresponding folder if I go up and down. So I've already got my Science 2 one open. That was the source I wanted to use. Drag that up. Now I've got two options here. I can go List or Library. I like Library more because I can see all my folders. List is okay, but again it's personal preference. I'm going to tap on the source I want, tap on the source you want and click the arrow top right. It now cites it for you. Now if you click the Enter key to bring the cursor down, you can check your reference list by clicking Add Edit Bibliography. Tap on it once and that will create your reference list. So as you carry on adding your in-text citations here, your reference list will be put at the bottom in alphabetical order for you because it's the Harvard style. If you need to change the style, go to Document Preferences, and again if you minimize that, we can change the style. So you might decide actually I want some Oscola footnoting. Click OK, and then you'll see in Word it has now changed to footnoting. And there it is, re-footnotes. So that's one way working with Zotero.